Namaste, I'm Shubham Joshi. I'm a yoga therapist, a yoga practitioner, a spiritual seeker. I know mantra healing. Today we will talk about this is the second episode of how to we enhance and how we recreate ourselves, how we enhance our subconscious brain power. This is very wonderful. Our subconscious brain powers are quite wonderful and very wonderful, quite magical. It can create ourselves. As I say, we can create ourselves, we can recreate ourselves. Just we need some practices, we need some sadhana, we need some tools like yoga is a wonderful tool, pranayama is a wonderful tool. I am going to tell you about five important and five very essential techniques that how we can recreate our subconscious brain. The first is choose consciously. We have to choose things consciously, like the way we are going home, we have to choose the home that from which way we are going to home. Daily we have to choose the way that from which we are going home, from the market, from the workplace, everywhere. Like not it's always programmed in our subconscious that we suddenly just subconsciously in unintentionally take the way, but no, by your car, you are walking, by anything, you have to choose the way consciously. Second, be patient. You need to be patient. You need to keep patience in things like in your life, from the morning till the end. You don't go by like life, go by like your daily routine. You when you are when you are programming and reprogramming your subconscious brain, then your daily schedule is very important. You have to go by your morning schedule. Like when you are waking up, you have to know the time, at what time you need to wake up. Like if you are waking up at 4 a.m., you have to wake up at 4 a.m. Don't go by alarm. You need to set this in your mind, in your brain consciously. Then you wake up at 4, see the clock, okay, this is the 4 a.m., I have to wake, and I am wake up now. And then remind yourself, this is the conscious choice for yourself. This is not your subconscious that okay, I wake up at 8 a.m. It's not like this that I am waking up daily 4 a.m. This is in feed in my subconscious and program. No, you waking sometime 8 a.m., sometime 7. This is subconscious programming. We call this programming. Okay, but your choice to wake up at 4 a.m., this is conscious choice. Okay, second, be patient. Third, you need to be less angry. Yes, anger is quite like anger, irritation. These are like quite when just you can be angry on any situation, you can be irritated on any situation. This should not be happen. This is your choice. This must be your choice, your conscious choice. At what situation, how will you going to react? Like if someone throw some water on you, you get irritated. No, this should not be happen. This must be your choice that what action and what reaction you are going to take on that particular situation. This will create a very powerful magical changes in your subconscious brain. And then last but not the least, that how you are using your conscious brain by daily. You have to remind your conscious brain that these things now I am using consciously. Like I said, many things like choosing a way, choosing this situation. Then daily you have to make the notes daily, not by this book or something, just in my mind, just before going to sleep. Remind yourself, this is the conscious part I have chosen. It will create a major important part in reprogramming subconscious brain. So these are the techniques. Now I am going to tell you some benefits. There are extremely many millions of benefits to reprogramming and programming your subconscious brain. Like if you are in some situation you can't handle, just you got puzzled, in this situation you will not get puzzled, you will click and consciously you can take best decisions in that particular situations. For the students, millions of benefits. You can, your perception quality, your brain quality, many quality will enhance. For those who are working, they will be enhanced. Those who are on a spiritual path, yes, we have already benefited by this and ongoing on this path by yoga. Those anywhere, whatever you are doing, material life, spiritual life, reprogramming and programming your subconscious brain is for your favor. Okay, I wish and I hope you will like this video. You like these techniques. You should like but just by listening, the subconscious will not reprogram. You have to use these techniques. You can make your own techniques. Who knows, you can make your own techniques. Just the thing is, you have to make that by subconscious. You are creating these things in your conscious choice. This must be your conscious choice. How you are reacting, how you are acting on particular situation, this must be your conscious choice. If you will got in that state, it will create a change in your life. Thank you. Have a wonderful life. Keep practicing yoga. Yoga can enhance, yoga will enhance your life. Not yoga is just not about to flipping your body. No, it's a great, this asanas, the yoga poses are only just few part. The main yoga is quite wonderful. You need to practice yoga. Keep practicing pranayama. Have a joyful, wonderful life. Thank you.